Alright guys, welcome to You Can Fix Anything. This is our guest person tonight, guest celeb. This is just evidence that you yourself can fix anything. She can do it, you can do it. So we're gonna go through today the visor for this is a Honda Civic. What year?
2010.
2010 Honda Civic. The visors don't work properly, so got some new visors online and going to replace this visor. All right,
We're gonna replace this broken visor with this nice new one right here. And this is the right side, so we have to make sure that we also have the right side. And we do. Okay, so first we're gonna pop this thing off here. Oh, is this how you do that? Okay. Oh. Well, alright then. Wait, is this supposed to happen?
yeah.
Okay.
All right, so it's now been removed.
And?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Okay. So this went in like this, right? It's stick.
That's right. You're just gonna go turn the thing on its axis a little bit to the screw.
But it's not like in there.
Oh, it's, you just gotta screw it in.
Oh, now I just screwed it. Okay. Got it. Okay. Okay, I got this. Everything is fine. It's not totally fine yet, but it's almost there. Okay. My arms are tired.
That's good. Don't tighten it all the way. Tighten it like 95%.
Okay. Still, it's 90-ish. Maybe 95. Probably 94.5. I like to round up.
Yeah.
What the heck? What am I supposed to do? Oh, right. Ow.
This one has the opposite. This one's got the opposite problem of the old one. Doesn't do anything.
Exactly.
It stays put.
So tighten it all the way
tighten
now?
down all the way.
Okay.
Back. Push it up.
Okay, now this little guy.
Yeah, it doesn't perfectly
It
fit.
doesn't stay very well.
Yeah.
Is it gonna fall? Alright.
There you have it. Thanks for watching. If you found anything useful, please like and subscribe.